Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one that is about capital A. This one that is about capital B. So I want to create about a square to cancel about the square root. So to create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So this one we have s squared plus y squared plus 1 minus number 1. So we know that 1 minus 1 we cancel. So we know that s squared plus y squared that is about the square root of s squared plus y squared to the power of 2. Now we can simplify this one and this one in here. So we just have only the square root of s squared plus y squared in here. Next, we can use about 2+y theorem. So we need to find the range of side of this one. And we know that the range of the side that should be about from negative number 1 to positive number 1. But we have the power number 4 in here. So that is about even power. Even power, they just provide the positive number in here. So for this one, we have the range from 0 to number 1. Next, I will multiply both sides by this one. Because we multiply by number 0, you got 0. Next, we put the limit for the both sides. So because this one you got 0, so the limit in here you have 0. Now about this one, we just put number 0 on here, here, and we have 0. So on the left we have 0, on the right we have 0. That means the value of this one equals to number 0, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.